Alright guys, so this is part 5 of Mike's xBt build process. If you haven't seen any of the videos before, go back and watch them so you can see how we got to this point today. I'm keeping these short and sweet, and so basically every time we went to the shop, these are the things we saw. These are the changes that we saw and how fast Mayo's crew was working on Mike's truck when they got to it. And on this one, they had already prepped all the body and actually started fitting the plexiglass roof. Now there's a film on it which protects the plexiglass. Of course, you're going to see that in the film. Of course, it's not going to come off until it's completely done, but they actually shaped it. It took 2 times to get the front right because it does have a curvature, but man, when it was done, it came out just right. So make sure to subscribe, hit follow, hit thumbs up if you like, and if not, just go ahead and leave your comments, and eventually we'll get to the end product where we're at today. Thanks guys for watching. Take it easy.